Hey new teacher, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Teacher Sarah. For those of you that are new, welcome. On this channel you can find tips and tricks to help you through the VIPKID application process and just general updates of what it's like to be a VIPKID teacher. If you're curious, today is a great day to tune in. I'm going to share with you what it's been like over these last 10 months teaching for VIPKID. So it seems kind of odd that I'm giving you a 10-month update, right? But in these 10 months, I have taught 1,000 classes with VIPKID. And so if you've watched my videos about how much you can make and how much I personally make, you understand that I've made over $10,000 this year in these last 10 months teaching for VIPKID. How cool is that? So I am only doing this part-time. I am a mother. I do work a full-time career as a paralegal. I work the side hustle part-time, and I am just floored that in these last 10 months, I've been able to add over $10,000 to our family income. And I want to share with you what my experiences have been. Now, clearly you all can see that I am a woman of color. And when I first started looking at VIPKID, there were a lot of videos or articles or different things that I read and experienced that told me that it was going to be really, really hard for a person of color to get bookings and to thrive in this environment because China is so different and their culture is very different and not as inclusive as what America is or should be moving towards. So I was really worried about that at first. However, I'm a firm believer that if you put everything that you have into a goal, you'll get there. And that's what I did. I put everything that I had into making the Comma Club every month, and I've been able to continuously do that every month for the last 9 months, and I've exceeded it that much that my first month where I didn't make the Comma Club, I've made up for that and more. So you can be successful in this role part-time. You can be successful as a person of color. You can be successful if you already have a full-time career and only want to do this part-time. This role is absolutely incredible. So let's rewind back to October when I signed up to become a VIPKID teacher. I was in an interesting place in my life. I needed to do something extra to reach some of my goals. So I was very introspective. I realized that I had a lot of things that I needed to change, and one of them was my income. I needed an additional income so that I could pay down debt and reach some financial goals that I had. So I found VIPKID and I applied. And again, I put everything that I had into it. I watched all of the videos. I read all of the articles. I went through Reddit. I understood all of the questions. I understood all the complaints. So I was very prepared when I went through the application process. And that's something that I tell my referrals to do. Make sure that you are fully engaged, and this is something that you really want to do. Putting in that work helped me get my initial bookings. I was focused on getting positive feedback, so that showed other parents that I was a good choice to book. In the beginning, I was obsessed with VIPKID. I would check my app so many times a day. I just love to see my payment increase. I would check it in the morning and then I'd check it around noon after things, flipped over. I was obsessed with it. I printed so many props. I got all of the teacher gear. I am equipped and ready to go. But with that obsession came a near burnout. There was a theme this year about teacher burnout, and I'm sure you've seen tons and tons of videos or articles about teacher burnout and what that is. As teachers online in an environment teaching students on the other side of the world, we have to balance those time zones. And it's easy and exciting to be up really late or be up very early teaching these students. But if you're not careful, you can forget to take care of your own self, to take care of your own need to get that rest. So a lot of teachers were seeing that teacher burnout. I was getting there because again, I'm very motivated. I just wanted to tackle it. And while I was At the Comma Club, I don't know what else I was seeking. I just wanted to always be available. So I took a look at my calendar and realized I don't really need to be up so early on a Sunday, so I no longer work Sundays for VIPKID. If you're questioning the hours that I do work, I normally work 5 to 7 a.m. Monday through Saturday. Occasionally I'll take some night classes. Over the summer I took more night classes than usual because the students are available. In the fall and into the winter, I'll likely take some Friday night classes occasionally just to build up a bank in the event of cancellations or different things like that. Now things have leveled out. I've hit a great stride with my teaching schedule. I am recruiting new teachers, so if you are curious about VIPKID and would like help going through the application process, be sure to use this code in your application process or enter it into this area within the teacher portal. That's Sarah1188. Sarah with an H. I'm sorry, I got distracted. That's right. Now, I've been helping my referrals get through the process, and it's been really great. The referrals that I get are fantastic. These are very motivated and engaged people. It's been great to coach people through the application process. My referrals are fantastic, and helping them through the application process has showed me now that I want to help more people. So you're going to see some changes with this channel here in the next couple of weeks that kind of broaden my scope a little bit to include things more than just VIPKID, but overall inspirational lifestyle content that will help people move forward in their lives or move forward in their careers or move forward towards their goals. VIPKID has not only brought me this really awesome source of income, it's broadened my vision and given me ideas for different goals and is guiding me towards what my purpose is, and I believe that is helping people and helping people understand that they have it in them. You guys, you have it in you. So yes, there's no secret that I have loved my experience with VIPKID. There are some things that VIPKID can work on though, and I'm going to share those with you also. VIPKID is fantastic. They do a lot to keep their teachers happy. They have a complete department that their goal is to connect with the teachers and bring their voice to headquarters so that changes are made to help make things easier for teachers. Because this is a whole different culture, I believe that the communication style can be improved. They are working to expand their client base to outside of China. I've heard that they are piloting programs in Japan and even South Korea. So they are working very hard, and I don't always see that work. So I'm understanding in some of the issues that I'm seeing. I know they're working very hard, and I think it's still considered a startup tech company. So understand that it's a growing company. So now I'll be wrapping up my first year. I'll give you an update of where I ended my year at, and you can see how I'm planning my next year with VIPKID. So stay tuned. That's all that I have for you guys today. Make sure you like this video to show me some love. Subscribe to my channel so you can be updated next week when I upload a new video for you. Thank you guys so much. See you next time. Goodbye.